All right, so I brought my extendo. I love this thing right here. How I do is I extend the sucker all the way out like this, line up the eyes like this, and just like this. So this right here is the one that I got from Amazon that has 5 stars. Heavy duty, man. Check it out. Very nice. 7-footer. And this right here I bought at God, what is it? Oh, Big 5 for 29 bucks, already threaded with a 4-pound test line on it. So I'm gonna give it a go, and I'm gonna use, let's see what we got here. This right here. And this right here is a trout magnet. I'm gonna use blue because in the summertime they really like blue, man. That's like one of the primary colors. See that little split? See that? So in a second I'll show you the setup. Pretty cool, right? All right, so got my setup, my 7-foot extendo. See, sucker, I like this thing. Actually, this has got to be one of my top 3 out of all the fishing gear I got, for the simple fact I can catch anything. People say you need certain rods or reels to catch certain fish, but anyways, this is my setup. Just like this, just like this. And I got it to about 2.5 feet going down to this trout magnet. All right, so let's get this sucker out there. First cast, maybe we catch something there. All right, so I'm gonna aim for that right there and let that sucker flow down just a little bit. I got some weight on it because of the rapids, as you can see. See all that? So let's do this sucker. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Wow, that's nice. Did you see that? Let's see how much drag. All right. Guess I'll let it go down a little bit. I like this area because it's calm. You can see rapids to the right, rapids to the left. So you got this pocket right here, and hopefully something's in there waiting. It did go down, but with me putting that slider weight on there, she went all the way across. All right, let's do that again. I just want to see the holes, and I'm gonna chuck that sucker right there. Wow, look at that. Let it sink a little bit, and I don't think I want it to really touch the bottom there, so jerk it, jerk it, jerk it. All right, let's bring that sucker. Trying to reach for right over here. That's a good cast. I'm just gonna let it flow down. Maybe bump down a little bit on those rocks, get some tension going. I just feel like right there, right where the rod is pointing, right there, there's some trout waiting to ambush, you know. It's summertime, it's hella hot, but dude, bouncing on their heads. Gonna bite. All right, let's aim for that spot. Look at that. Exactly where I want it. Let me fast retrieve that. Let me fast retrieve that. Okay, I'm gonna try to hit that spot. I'm literally chucking the sucker across the river, man. I like that. Yeah, people say, I heard somebody said I couldn't catch trout off this right here because it's not fast action and this and that. You don't even know how many trout I caught off this extendo right here. I mean, god dang, this exact extendo, I bet you I could catch a salmon off of it. Gotta finesse it, but I bet you anything I catch whatever I want off this thing. Yeah, you literally gotta bounce off their heads. All right, the beer of the day is this Cali Craft West Coast Rad IPA. What is it? 6%. I seen this on the shelf. I don't even know what it tastes like, but we're gonna find out. Beer of the day. Hey. Yeah, I like it.